Welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2017 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty in the color gray. Some features include power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory and power front seats, automatic headlights, telescopic pedals. On the steering wheel we have media controls, cruise control, Bluetooth capability, Sony audio, screen display with navigation, rear vision backup camera, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, trailer brake controller, CD player, climate controls with heated and cooled front seats, comfortable seating for 5 with a power sliding rear window, and much more. So don't miss out, hurry in or give us a call today at Davis Chevrolet to book your test drive.